Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how to convert PDF to PSD file in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF file, check the file and go to file menu, click the save as, choose the file destination and give the file format as a PostScript PS and finally click save. Go to your file destination, check the file, open the file into Adobe Photoshop. Check the file type PS file. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.